Hi, in this video I'd like to show you our unsilenced range of 9x3, 9x6 and 9x9 AirLiner sets with internal hit and miss grilles. This is our 9x3 size set. As background ventilators for habitable rooms, these through-wall sets provide living areas with controllable ventilation to dilute and remove moisture and pollutants and have no running costs. The internal hit and miss grille is easily adjusted with a simple sliding action, allowing full control over the amount of ventilation let into the room. Sized to suit standard UK bricks, these sets are ideally installed as brickwork proceeds and leave a neat external finish. There are 6 sets in the range. There are 2 9x3 sets with a single air brick, available with and without a cowl. 2 9x6 sets with a double air brick, available with and without a cowl. And 2 9x9 sets with the triple air brick, again available with and without a cowl. Each through-wall sleeve contains a system of internal baffles to reduce light and draughts, and air bricks are available in a variety of colours to match surrounding brickwork.
For more information, visit us online or call now